This might be one of the best pockets of Coquitlam nobody talks about.
Everybody wants Vancouver, but this is where I'd buy.
This home has more space, more value, and no strata fees.
$1 million view from your family room.
If you love to entertain, this is the kitchen for you. And you get $1 million view in your own backyard.
This is the kind of backyard everybody wants for summer.
This property also comes with a single car garage and tons of street parking. Front yard, backyard, and you'd have it all.